So friends, I will teach you how to make beautiful photo from Pixel Lab. First of all, you will choose your photo on click on import. Then resize your photo and resize full screen. Then click on crop, resize. Then copy. You can copy your photo, original photo, and you can edit your other photo. So first of all, you will resize. Look, if you want resize, select position, then click on this filter. Look, I can select position, then click on opacity, and you can manage your brightness. Then click on filter, or then you can make beautiful applying all this filter. Look, original photo and second copy photo are very different. Look, this is you can make your photo every color, red, blue, green, in what color you want. So you can easily create or make your photo. If you want to remove any background of in your photo, you can click on erase and erase all unwanted areas. Look how I am doing. So you can easily remove your background unwanted scene. Then you will click on filter and then you can rotate your photo all angle. Then click on 3D on you can make your photo like 3D applying on this effect. See how this photo can rotate and look like a 3D photo. See, this image is looking like a 3D photo. You can see how I am doing. You can apply all effect and edit your photo like this from Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab is best platform to edit your photo or manage your brightness, contrast level, light, colors, with everything. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.